Assalamu alaikum. Greetings from Talent Upskill, Class 5 English version, Math, Decimal Fractions chapter, Exercise 7B. Question number 3. In the following multiplications, which product will be smaller than the multiplicand? A, B, and C. So we have to find the products and then check in which case the multiplicand is larger and product is smaller. Let us start with number 3A. Multiply 3.2 by 3.2, and we know how to multiply the decimal fractions. We have to ignore the decimal point and then multiply like their whole numbers. So this is 32, this is 32. 2 into 2 is 4, 2 into 3 is 6. Leave this place or spot or put a 0 here. Then 3 into 32. 3 into 2 is 6. 3 into 3 is 9. Now add 4, 12, 1 in hand, 9 and 1, 10. Now count how many digits before we have to put the decimal point. Here is 1 digit, here is 1 digit. So we have to put decimal point before 2 digit. 10.24. This is multiplicand. And this is product. The result is the product in case of multiplication. Now question is which is smaller and which is larger. Multiplicand is 3.2 and product is 10.24. Definitely product is greater than multiplicand. So product is greater. Let us do B. Multiply 0.97. We will not write 0 because that doesn't have any value. For multiplication, we don't need to write the 0. So 0.97. Multiply 7 into 7, 49. 4 in hand. 7 into 9, 63, and 4, 67. Multiply by 9. Before that, put a 0 here. 9 into 7, 63. 6 in hand. 9 into 9, 81. 81 and 6, 87. Do the addition. 9, 10, 1 in hand, 6 and 7, 13 and 1, 14, 1, 8 and 1, 9, 9409. How many digits before we have to put the decimal point? We have to count. 1 digit, 2 digit, 3 digit, 4 digit. So total 4 digit before. We should place the decimal point here. So multiplicand was 0.97 and the product is 0.94. Therefore product is smaller than multiplicand. Now we will solve C. 1.01 multiply by 1.01. Ignore the decimal point. Think they are the whole number and multiply. So 1 into 1, 1 into 0, 1 into 1, 1. Put a 0 here, start multiplying by 0. 0 into 101 is 30. Put another 0 here. Then multiply by 1. 1, 0, 1. Add 1, 0, 1 and 1, 2, 0, 1. Now how many digits before we have to put the decimal point? 1 digit, 2 digit, 3 digit, 4 digit. So total 4 digit before. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1.0201. 1.02 and this was 1.01. So which is larger? Definitely product is larger. Therefore product, in this case product is larger than multiplicand. So the question was, in the following multiplications, which product will be smaller? So here we can see only this case, in this case product is smaller than the multiplicand. Therefore answer is only in case B product is smaller than multiplicand. Thank you everyone. Allah Hafiz.